Hello everyone, welcome to another math question. But this time it's a graphic problem, right? We have to actually solve this kind of pattern problem, right? You have to actually find what's actually the correct choice for this box of this 3x3 pattern, right? And you have A, B, C, D, 4 choices. Is it supposed to look like that inside this box, or is it supposed to look like that, or that, or that, right? Yeah, what do you think? What do you think? How do you want to solve this kind of questions?
I see that in each row there are 2 L things and then 1 upside down lollipop.
Yeah, that's so that's sort of in a given pattern, right? So in a given pattern you have 3x3, 3 rows and 3 columns, right? What's actually missing is the last column on the last row, right? And then if you look at the 2 rows that's given over here, right? You can identify some kind of pattern, right? So what's actually important about solving this kind of problems is to do the thing that I call decomposition, right? You have to actually separate a particular kind of object into its individual components, right? You're looking at different kinds of objects, right? And then for each of the object you have this kind of a stick, right? Which may have a kind of bend in the stick, and then also a circle, the head, right? So if you just look at the sticks, right, what kind of thing can you identify? For the top row, you have this kind of a L, right, for the stick.
Low, L-O.
Okay, and then you have this kind of opposite stick that's kind of flipped left and right? The opposite L, right?
A UFO flying machine.
And then a kind of vertical stick with no bends.
Upside down lollipop.
Right. So at least for the sticks you have this kind of 3 different shape, right? For the sticks you have this L thing, the opposite L thing, and then a straight, right? And then let's look at the circles. Can you tell me what are the 3 different choices for the circles?
Blank.
Blank.
Half blank.
Half blank, half filled, right? And?
Filled.
And filled.
For filled.
Yeah, all of them are filled, right?
Most of them.
Okay. So that's for the top row, right? And then for the second row, do you see the 3 patterns also? So for the stick, you have a straight stick, a bended stick, and then a L-shaped stick, right? And then for the circles, for the heads, you have the empty one, the filled one, and then half filled one, right? And then for the bottom row, what are you gonna do? Do you see the sticks?
Yeah.
But which stick is actually missing?
This one.
Right. For the bottom row, you have the vertical stick, right? You have the L-shaped stick, but you don't have the opposite L-shaped stick, right? So you must be missing a opposite L-shaped this kind of stick, right?
But
what about the circle?
What I saw is that every row there's 1 filled, 1 empty, and 1 half filled.
Right.
So this is missing its empty.
Yeah, you're missing an empty circle, right?
Yeah.
So what's gonna be the right choice then? A, B, C, or D?
B.
Right, B is the right answer, right?
Yeah.
That's exactly the missing shape, right? Okay, did you get the right answer? And can you explain it to a small child? Thank you for watching.
Make sure you like and subscribe.